What a beautiful place. The king was walking so full of cheer. By surprise, eggs were rolling near. Choo-choo, he said like a train in play. The eggs follow close, a colorful display. I love it! The red egg rolled onto the stage. The kid tapped it with so much praise. Out flew a duck, flapping so high. It soared through the air up to the sky. Awesome!
Red color.
The yellow egg rolled onto the stage. The kid tapped it with so much praise. Out flew a duck, flapping so high. It soared through the air up to the sky. Awesome!
Yellow color.
The green egg rolled onto the stage. The kid tapped it with so much praise. Out flew a duck, flapping so high. It soared through the air up to the sky. Awesome!
Green color.
The blue egg rolled onto the stage. The kid tapped it with so much praise. Out flew a duck, flapping so high. It soared through the air up to the sky. Awesome!
Blue color.
The pink egg rolled onto the stage. The kid tapped it with so much praise. Out flew a duck, flapping so high. It soared through the air up to the sky.